The city skyline glows under a perfect, luminous full moon. Streetlights flicker as pedestrians pause, their heads tilted upward in collective wonder. Then, in a single, impossible frame, the moon vanishes. The sky is transformed into a hollow void. A heavy, suffocating silence falls over the streets as the world realizes the light is gone. People stand frozen in the darkness, staring at the empty space where a celestial constant once hung. The night air feels suddenly thin, and the familiar comfort of the moonlight is replaced by an eerie, absolute shadow. Inside a high-altitude observatory, Dr. Eris slams his hand against the monitor in disbelief. The feed shows nothing but the cold, deep reaches of space. Satellite telemetry maps blink a frantic red, cascading across massive screens like a digital fever. He grabs the radio, his voice cracking as he calls the control center. "It is just gone!" he screams into the static. News anchors across the globe report the disappearance in rapid, frantic cuts. Global networks flicker and fail as the world demands answers that no scientist can provide. Coastal cities face a sudden, terrifying shift. The tide retreats miles from the shore in minutes, leaving massive cargo ships stranded on wet, glistening sand. Dead fish litter the exposed seabed, gasping in the moonlight that is no longer there. For a moment, the ocean is a graveyard. Then, the water rushes back in an unnatural surge, a wall of black liquid slamming against piers and coastal defenses. Gravity has lost its rhythm. The pulse of the planet is breaking, and the sea is the first to scream. Deep in the data centers, the simulation runs a terrifying reality. A 3D model of Earth wobbles violently. The gravitational anchor is gone. The Earth's axis tilts, swinging wildly like a dying top. In the polar regions, ancient ice sheets fracture and groan under the internal pressure. Massive storms form over the equator, swirling in impossible, jagged patterns. Snow begins to fall in the searing desert heat, while hurricane winds tear across the plains. The seasons are colliding in a matter of days. The entire climate system is in total collapse. In the new dark, the stars shine with an intense, cold light that offers no warmth. A pack of wolves stands motionless in a frozen forest, their eyes wide and glowing, unable to hunt in the pitch-black canopy. Night-blooming flowers wilt, sensing the end of their cycle. The final frame reveals the Earth, a lonely, fragile marble suspended in the infinite dark vacuum of space. The moon's reflected light, our silver companion for eons, is gone forever. There is no rescue coming. There is only the cold, eternal silence of the universe remaining.